blizzard. Hey guys, so back with another video. As y'all can tell so far, I'm probably going to be posting daily. So yeah, and most of my videos are going to be about my snake, but eventually I'm going to get some more snakes, and my sister's going to get some snakes, and my dad will get some snakes, and then I'll be posting all them snakes on the channel. And as I said in last night's video, me, my sister, and my dad are going to be breeding snakes. That was my sister walked by right there, if y'all can hear the footsteps in the background. Zoe, I'm making a video. YouTube. As y'all seen my sister for the first time last night. Here she is again, if she will ever look. Look at this. She used to be when I did that, she'd get freaked out.
Yeah, because I'm not used to holding big snakes.
Yeah, she normally holds like little ribbon snakes and Decay's brown snakes. But she's going to get some like boas and pythons, Mexican black king snakes, some of the 2+ foot long snakes. But as y'all heard last night, Blizzard, I think, is in shed, and I asked somebody on an app that is not a sponsor, but I will still tell y'all about it, Amino. It's actually a really good app, and if y'all can hear it boop boop, that's me getting notifications from Amino on my from some of the communities I'm in. Like, you can get on communities and then talk to other people, look at posts, learn about snakes, reptiles, sports, anything you want to see on it. And there's different types of amino apps, like horrors, creepypastas, even something that I can't say because I don't want to get demonetized. And eventually I could start making money off of YouTube, so don't want to get demonetized, because once I start making money, I'll be buying snakes, equipment for snakes, and good stuff like that. I love her. You gotta love him. My buddy might be coming down later today. My mom said he could, but I'm not sure about his mom or if he wants to. But if he can, he'll be in a video. The kid that was in the first video, that wrestling video, that kid, he's not much on holding larger snakes. I mean, not that a corn snake is a large snake, because they're not. But I mean, hey, he won't hold much bigger than a ribbon snake currently. But hey, that's actually a lot considering how he was when I met him. When I met him, he wouldn't even hold a tadpole. And now he likes snakes. My other friend that hasn't been featured in a video yet, which I'm going to try to feature him in a video this week or within the next 3 weeks. Because, I mean, hey, we have a 2-week Christmas break, but he was raised from his family used to hate snakes, and they still do, and they kill snakes no matter what species it is. But I've gotten him to where he loves snakes and wants to be a snake breeder along with me and my sister as adults. Zoe, come on. But, I'm actually about to show y'all something that me and my sister worked on last night. Me and her have, like, all the same snake that we want out of this. Like, we looked on a website with, like, 7 different snake species, cool species of snakes. And me and her want, like, all of them throughout our life. But then at the beginning, there's something that wasn't on that we just chose. Me, a tricoloured hognose snake. Her, a Mexican black king snake. Hold her while I show him the book, Zoe. Once again, my sister holding the snake. Not scared. So y'all might not be able to read my handwriting. It's not the best.
I know. They probably know.
tri-colored hognose for me. And Zoe, Mexican black king snake, like multiple. And then me, California king snake, her royal python, me, boa constrictor, her Cali king snake, and then me, carpet python. Well, yeah, carpet python, and her boa constrictor. No, that was you. I said that about me. And then me, green tree python, her carpet python. That's W. Hognose, so western hognose. And then her green tree python. And then me, royal python. And then her western hognose. And we're going to be working on the list some more today. But that's all we found on the website. Here, I'm going to try to get y'all a close-up on her eyes to see that she's beginning the blue phase.
You already done that.
Well, you can't hardly see it on this.
Well, we can see it in real life.
But in person, it's cloudy and bluish. But not super dark blue like they are in the middle of the blue phase. So that means she's just beginning the blue phase. Corn snakes are not a very aggressive species of snake.
But they're really cute.
Yeah.
And really, really
But
sensitive.
But her, once, a few nights ago, the first night I had her, that one kid, his family hates snakes, I told y'all about.
Yeah, Clayton.
Yep. His name is Clayton, just so y'all know. He, he didn't notice this, but I was holding her on my neck, and then out of nowhere, I just see go by my face, her head, and she was bluff striking at him.
Uh-huh. It was he was scared. He wouldn't even hold her anymore.
Yeah, but I managed to get him too.
Yeah. And he done it.
He did.
I said he did.
That's what managing to get him to hold her again is. You be the camera girl for now.
Why do I have to always be